How to reply to a Snapchat streak. So if you have got a snap from someone that contains the S letter or something, then you want to reply it, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at this section of Snapchat from where you will be able to take Snapchat photos or videos. At the lower button you can see the option like map, chat and many more. Just tap over the chat option over here. And right now I've got a snap. So if you tap over and open it up, here is the S written snap. So the thing is, if someone is trying to maintain a streak with you on Snapchat, then they will send a letter S. Streak simply means the interaction between you and the other person, or how many snaps per day you send to each other. So that means the streak. And if you regularly send snap to one another for sometimes within 24 hours every day, then a streak will be maintained. But if you stop sending snap to the person within 24 hours, then the streak will be unbalanced automatically. So in order to maintain the streak, they are just sending this type of snap, writing S. So you can also reply to them like that. For that, you just can go back and you have to reply by tapping over the camera like option at the right hand side of the person, and you can take a photo of the anything, and you can tap over the text option at the right of icon, and here you just can write S and you can send it to the person, and by doing that you'll be able to reply. Your streak will also be maintained. So this is how you can reply to Snapchat streak. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.